Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, I'm back out on the production floor. I'm here with Justin. Now Justin is in charge of assembling all of our custom locks, push bars, that type of thing. Now Justin, you just finished doing this one. About how many of these push bars do you do in a given week?
It depends. Some weeks it's heavier than others. You know, it's kind of hit and miss.
Right.
You know, some weeks I'll have 10, sometimes I'll have 30, 40 doors.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of it had to do when we started really advertising our driver cage, because that driver cage takes a push bar like this one, and when we started really pushing the driver cage, the number of push bar doors went up dramatically. So I think that was a big key to it. And I noticed that we have a hole right here in the door, and the reason for that,
Let me demonstrate that for you.
why don't you do that?
So it's called a Doggie Tool, so you can lock the door to make it free to go in and out without a key or pushing the bar.
So that's if you have a certain time where you have a lot of people going through on a regular basis.
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we got today. We assemble the push bars and all the custom locks here at the factory. You don't have to do it during your own installation. That'll save you a lot of time and money. And we'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt. Thanks, Justin.
Thanks, man.
All right.
Take care.